Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book a flight with Expedia on the phone. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is an online travel platform that allows you to book flights, hotels, car rentals, and airport transfers all in one place. It's convenient, easy to use, and helps you compare prices to get the best deals. First, open the Expedia app on your mobile phone. Make sure that you have created your account on Expedia. If you do not have a previous account, you can sign up for a new account. After that, you will find various options on the home page. These options include stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, and cruises. To book a flight, tap on Flights. You can choose whether you want to book a round-trip, one-way, or multi-city flight. For example, I want to book a one-way flight. Now, tap on one-way shown on the upper side. Next, type in the city you are leaving from and select it. Then, type in the country or city you are going to and select it. After that, choose your travel dates. Here, select the number of travelers and pick the cabin class. Once you have selected everything, hit the search button. Now, it will show you the recommended flights. Scroll down to view all available flights. You can check the departure time and the arrival time. After that, tap on any flight to see more details. You can check the baggage options and review all the flight details carefully. You can swipe towards the right to check the next offers provided by the flight. Then, hit the select button to proceed. Now, review all the details of your flight, including fare, seats, and baggage charges. Next, tap on Checkout. It will show you that your selected fare includes seat choice, but you have not chosen a seat for all flights and travelers. If you want to choose your seat, then go to the Choose Seats option. If you want to book your flight, you can tap on Go to check out for further steps. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even the Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.